Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This is 27,500 rupees PC build. This video you must watch if you're planning to make a budget build, because the components which we have selected in this build, we have kept in mind the component quality. We have not compromised on any of the component brand or quality, so make sure to watch the video till the end so you can understand why this component has been selected. It will make your job easy to select component for your own PC. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Our website techmartunbox.com links and Amazon links are mentioned in the description box below. Do consider them to check the latest price. By the way, today's price is 27,500 rupees. I would recommend, if any one of you are watching the video in future, just go ahead and do the total and comment down the total price of this build. So what's the total coming on the day you are watching this video? So today's total is 27,500 rupees for this component. Let's see when you are watching, are the prices same or you're getting a better price. So starting with the processor, we are going with Ryzen 5 5500 GT. This is available for 10,300 rupees as of today and available on techmartunbox.com. For the motherboard, we are going with a budget motherboard which is A520MK. This is from Asus and it is a very reliable brand. So yeah, 4,100 rupees for this motherboard. Comes with 2 RAM slot and does the job well for this processor. For the RAM, we are going with Corsair Vengeance. This is DDR4 3200 MHz 16 GB. Since our budget is less but we have not compromised on the RAM, if you want to save 300-400 rupees, just a matter of 300-400 rupees, you can get Crucial RAM without heatsink. That performs well, but just to save 400 rupees, I don't think we should miss on Corsair Vengeance RAM. Has heatsink, has best of the best performance from Corsair. For the SSD, again we are going with Gen 4 SSD. Yes, we are not going with SATA SSD or slower Gen 3 SSD. We are going with P3 Plus from Crucial. This is 500 GB, available for 3,300 rupees. This is Gen 4 SSD and we're gonna use this 500 GB for 3,300 rupees. So as I told you, all the components which we are selecting, keeping in mind the budget, but we are not compromising on the quality. We are not going with cheap SSD, cheap RAM. We will be using top-notch components, so the PC will last at least 5 to 6 years. And also the upgrade is possible because we are going with CX550 power supply. This is from Corsair. The power supply which we have selected is 550 because customer may upgrade to 3050 or 3060 in future, so that won't be a problem. 550 can do the job. If you are building it for yourself and you are sure about the GPU will not be used, then 450 watt is also fine. The reason behind selecting Corsair power supply, because the PC will be used for good 10 hours every day. So keeping in mind a daily usage, we don't want to compromise on power supply. So even if you run for 10-12 hours every day, it will last. And Corsair is one of the best brand which makes power supply. This is Bronze series 550 watt. So for the cabinet, we have got NT Sports Z2 white color. He wanted something premium but budget friendly, not over 4,000 rupees. This comes with 3 pre-installed fan, by the way, that can be controlled, and on the top you get 3 USB. So pretty much every bells and whistles is there in the cabinet. The quality is really nice compared to other anti-sport models. I like the quality. So this is what we have for the cabinet. So let's just go ahead and begin the PC build. We have mentioned all the product link in the description box below. Do go ahead and check out the live price on the day you are watching the video. You can also visit cheapokeys.com for Windows keys. Windows 10 and Windows 11 key are available on cheapokeys.com. The links are given there and in the description box below. Windows key is available for 200 rupees and Office keys, antiviruses, games are also available there. Do check out the website cheapokeys.com. Let's begin with the PC build now. Alright, so we're done with the PC build and this is performing well. The temperature check has been done, Cinebench test was done, and 5500 GT is not a bad processor to consider, I would say, if you don't have a budget for graphic card and you want to use the internal GPU. That is pretty solid. 16 GB for now, 16 GB would be upgraded in future, a GPU would be added in future. White cabinet is what customer wanted, so we have given white. These LEDs are, by the way, controllable, so you can change the color of the fans as well. So that's about the video. Windows has been activated via key, which is available on cheapokeys.com. so that's about the video. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. And to check the latest price, again, Techmart Unbox.com website link is given there in the description. To check out, if you need to call us for your build, the number is given on the website. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video.